Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Mila B, and I know it's been a minute since I posted a video. And today, I'm about to do my lashes. I really want to go get them done, but I just been on this whole save my money type thing. So I had these probably for about 2 years in my makeup case or whatever. Never opened them until today. And I'm like, let me try them. So I recorded a video for y'all a long time ago, never made it to YouTube, and I probably never will post it because honestly, I don't feel like going back and doing all that. But on that video, I had ordered some things from Amazon, and it was to do your own lashes. So I ordered the lashes that came with the kit. I did not like the lashes that came with that particular kit, but I liked the glue. So I was like, let me see if they have any other type of glue that do the same thing. So I found this glue. It's called Falscara. I think, who makes it? Kiss? I don't know. One of those people. I'll put the link in the description box. But this is what it looks like right here. It has two sides. So you have, let me see. The bond side which is what you apply to your lashes first. This is it. Oh, wow. Y'all. It's never done that to me before. But this is the bond side. So you basically apply, I'm going to talk and work at the same time because y'all know I don't like to waste time. I'm going to get close. I know my skin is not that great right now. It has started to clear up really nicely. And then now I really think stress is just taking its toll on my body. So we're going to do this. Apply it just like you would mascara to your lashes. I learned to make sure that it's pretty even, and the reason why is because you get better adhesion with the lash, okay? So you're gonna apply it like so, like Miss Tabitha. And then you're gonna take your trio lashes. So this is how it came. The first row is extra short, and then the other rows are just short. So on this particular case, you can put glue here, but I'm not going to use that kind of glue. I'm actually going to try these out. So you're supposed to apply, this is 2 different products, okay? So keep that in mind. You're supposed to apply that and then apply like any type of trio lash underneath your lash. So I have my little mirror, y'all. Hold on. Ooh, sorry. I'm filming in a different spot today because we've moved things around. So let me try to do it like this so y'all can see me while I see me too. There we go. Hold on. Okay, so you're going to apply it underneath the lashes. I'm going to start in the middle because for me, it's the easiest. So just that quick. Y'all see that? And then you're just going to use the back of your tweezer to press it into that lash. It's getting really sticky, so I need to move quick because if not, it's going to be a mess. So I'm going to keep using the shorts. I don't think I'm going to use the extra short just because I feel like these are barely longer than my lashes as is. No. Yeah, it's getting too sticky too quick. Hold on, I'm going to have to move super fast. I think because it's been sitting now, this glue is not playing no games today. Normally, it's very forgiving. Oh my gosh. Y'all going to see me struggle, okay? So these do have like a little bit of that glue residue on them, and I don't want that. So kind of peeled some of that off. Place that lash in there. Can y'all see the difference now? Is it starting to come together? I think so. This is my last one for this side. Oh, right here on this side. I'm going to place, I think I might do an extra short, 2 extra shorts in the front just so it can have more of that natural look. Sorry, y'all, I'm moving so fast. I just do not want this glue to completely dry up. Ooh, that's sideways. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Let's try this one more again. I'm debating if I should put one in that. Oh, why did I do that? Y'all ever do something you know you shouldn't do, but you just keep doing it and then you always be mad at the consequences? That's me right now. That's me in real life too. Ooh, it's sticking. I'm gonna put one more extra short in the very front. And then I think I'm done. I just really am going for the natural. Ooh. Ooh, I think I got a tear coming. Don't come, don't come. All right. So, okay. So once you do that, what you're supposed to do, guys, is to take the other side, which is the seal side, and that's supposed to seal the lashes to your lashes, and that way you have more of a natural look. It also removes the stickiness that you're going to have from that, okay? So you just apply it just like that. I'll push that one under there. And that's it, y'all. That's it. You see that? It's not perfect, but that's okay though, because this whole idea cost me about $5. So I think I'm going to go back and get long, because I'm always like natural, but I'm starting to realize I don't think I'm like super natural anymore. I like this look, but I think I want it to be a lot longer. So I'm going to do this other side, put some makeup on my face, look presentable. You know, I never do anything to myself anymore. So let me get myself together and then, yeah. So while you guys watch me work on my other eye, I just wanted to let you guys know that my store, Parker J's Hair Care, based out of Houston, Texas, has reopened. I thank you guys for your patience. If you don't know, due to the panorama that's going on right now, it's been so hard for me to get ingredients, and all of our products are handcrafted from my family, because we are family owned and operated. Everything is all natural. So check out our website. It is parkerjshaircare.com. We now have skin, hair, nails, everything you can think of. We even have apparel, and you can use my promo code MILAB and you will save 20% on your purchase. So don't forget to check us out. We do appreciate your business. parkerjshaircare.com, and follow us on Instagram as well at parkerjs_. So I'm done. I do have one little discrepancy right here in the front where I messed up. I'm going to let that dry before I try to get that off, because if I've learned anything, I've learned. Oh, there it goes. It's coming off now that it's drying. You could peel it off a lot easier this way than if you, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go get my lash pencil, do my brow pencil, do my brows, put my face together, and we gonna come back. All right, so I'm just gonna make this a real long video because we need to talk about this skin. So prior to skincare, I literally used to wash my face with Dove soap, and that's it, baby. That's it. Didn't do no extra to my skin whatsoever. Skin was just as clear and smooth. If you watch any of my old videos, skin was just flourishing. Well, don't ask me why people do the most when they sit around the house bored, but your girl decided to start a new skincare regimen. I was like, oh, I'm getting older. You know, I'm into my 30s now. A little into them. So I was like, it's time to maybe, you know, start doing something to my skin. But you know the old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I should have listened, because what I started doing was using all kind of stuff, and ever since then my skin has been struggling. So to cure the struggle, I went and got some Curology. I was like, let me try out the Curology. So I tried out the little free trial, and y'all, skin cleared up within like a week, like unrealistically. Then a month passes. I'm being consistent, y'all. A month passes, and then my skin starts to break out again and again and again and again and again. And so now I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I really don't. And right now it's that time, so I'm trying to be like patient, like maybe, you know, but you see all these blemishes, like I ain't had acne like that since 7th grade. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand what's going on. So I've already spent my money on this Curology. So what I told myself I was going to do is go ahead and finish using it up because I didn't spend my hard-earned cash on it. I did cancel my subscription though. And then when this subscription is over, I'm going back to that good old Dove. And I'm just going to let my skin do what it do because I think this is ridiculous. Like, it truly is like they said, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And I don't know why I was trying to fix anything. That's why people need time. That idle mind is the devil's playground. And I had too much time on my hands with all this sitting at home for a year and a half. Even though it's still going on. People, I mean, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just like, dang, girl, like, you really messed yourself up. So that's what kind of where I'm at right now. And I'm not gonna lie, I just been kind of like, I don't know, y'all. I don't go nowhere. Like, if you don't know, I was teaching and I resigned. So now I'm at home. So I'm just focusing on my business, Parker J's Hair Care, y'all know. And I don't know if I like this color. Is it because of the powder? Maybe because of powder. But anyways, yeah. So right now, I'm like, while me and my daughter are at home, we are doing a lot of mommy and me time whenever I'm not working on my business. Right now, she's doing her little school lesson. And then in a little bit, me and her are going to go find something to wear because my best friend's little sister is getting married. And one of my close friends is doing a vow renewal. So, you know, got to get a cute little outfit to wear. Something nice and summery, even though it's the fall. Because we live in Texas and it's hot year round, okay? So something summery, but still cute. And yeah, I'm just talking right now. But anyways, you know, I just want to talk about my skin because y'all always are so kind in the comments when it comes to my skin. And, you know, sometimes we take things for granted because now I'm like, can I just get last year's skin back? That's all I want. I don't even really want to wear makeup because I'm about to put this mask on. Why did I put it? I don't know why. Okay, anyways. So I'm just going to do my brows and keep rambling because I ain't got nothing else to do. And, yeah. So this is some little beauty supply $1 pencil. Don't talk about the way I do my brows because it's about to throw all of y'all off. I already know. But when you've been bald-browed for about 10 years or so, you learn some new stuff and you try some new stuff. That's my brows, y'all. That's how I do my brows. Once they dry, they just look so much more naturaler. I know that's not a word, but I'm just telling you. So much more naturaler. Put a little bit more powder under them eyes so I don't have all the wrinkles. Because y'all know black don't crack. So why should my makeup be cracking? All right, it's that lip time. Let me see. Red or nude? These are only two colors I wear every day. And I don't know why, because no one can see them under my mask. No one, not even me, the person who matters. But I always line my lips because y'all know I got these big old lips that people picked on me for all as a kid. Then, girl, these lips, people pay for these. You know that? Look at that. You see it. People pay for these. I might just leave it like that and put a little gloss. Y'all see them teeth looking good. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do a video, y'all, on this dentist. Any of y'all been to Mint Dentistry? We going to talk, y'all. We going to talk, y'all. We going to talk. This is so cute, though. I am really cute. Always been. I'm going to put my lip gloss on. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So this is the grand finale. This is some lip gloss from Colourpop. I don't like it, so I'm not even going to tell y'all what it is. Their favorite one, my favorite by Colourpop is Aquarius. Oh my gosh, that gloss is beautiful and it lasts all day. This looks just like it, so I thought it was it, but it's not. This one is more like a, you know, that thin, not trying to last. I just want to be cute. This is that gloss. But that Aquarius, y'all, ooh, it'll last for hours. Only lip wear I wear. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much it. Y'all see the brows, y'all see the lashes. All of this is done on the low. My brow pencil was $1. This brow gel was $2, $3. It's from e.l.f. Lip liner, $1 from the beauty supply. My lip gloss was about $4 from Colourpop. And these lashes were about $3, $4, and the glue was about the same. So I'll link everything in the description box. All of this stuff actually can be found on Amazon, wherever you want to find it, whatever. And thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.